dear viewers of YouTube channels. Welcome again to Liberty Speaking TV. My name is Jean de Dieu Uwingabie. What's your name? I hope you've answered me. If not, try. Come on. So now it is time to study. I can't waste time delaying. Just remember to subscribe if this is your first time. Tap the subscribe button in red color so that next time you will get access to other lessons. And don't forget to tap the bell. That bell will enable you to receive any lessons that will be uploaded right here. So, today's English is gonna be Kinyarwanda translation. Next time, we'll be focused on other languages. But today, I wanna teach those who understand Kinyarwanda so that they will be able to communicate with other people or foreigners who will be visiting Rwanda. So, I'm going to teach Rwandan people from scratch. Muraho neza mwese mudukurikirana kuri YouTube channel. Amazina yanjye nitwa Uwingabie Jean de Dieu. Nkaba ndi hano kugira ngo mbigishe indimi. Uyu munsi tugiye kwiga isomo ry'Icyongereza. Turabasobanurira mu Kinyarwanda. English lesson 1 translated in Kinyarwanda. Let's get started. So, what I'm going to teach you today is business English courses. Nzabigisha amasomo dukoresha mu buzima bw'ubucuruzi cyangwa mu buzima bwa buri munsi. Reka tubanze turebe uyu munsi icyo twita regular English lesson categories. Turaza kurebera hamwe categories zitandukanye. Guhera uyu munsi tugiye kuzaba turebera hamwe insanganyamatsiko igira ngo greeting and general things. We'll be studying together greeting and general things. Let us get started, dear viewers and followers. Chuti bakunzi mudukurikirana. Greetings and general things section contains basic English lessons on greetings. Indamukanyo, iki gice kikubiyemo indamukanyo n'ibintu byose muri rusange kigizwe n'amasomo nyamukuru ku ndamukanyo. Communicating when you're bored, uko wavugana n'abantu mu gihe ufite irungu. Past, imitagihe, present, indagihe, and future tense, ndetse n'inzagihe, and the weather, n'ibihe. Review and study them as many times as you want. Uzajya usubiramo kenshi bishoboka kandi uyige. Greeting and general things. Indamukanyo n'ibintu muri rusange. Tuzarebera hamwe ingingo 25. Uyu munsi tugiye gufata ingingo ya mbere ivuga greeting, ariko turarebera hamwe icyo bita basic. Twibuke ko greeting mu Kinyarwanda bivuga indamukanyo. Greeting means to greet people, to share information. Greet gusuhuza. Greeting insuhuzo cyangwa indamukanyo. Turarebera hamwe nizihe ndamukanyo. twakoresha. There are many ways to greet someone. Hari uburyo bwinshi bwo gusuhuza umuntu. We'll learn about the most common way to greet someone in this lesson. Tukaba turi buze kwigira hamwe uburyo noneho bukunze guhurirwaho n'abantu bose bwo gusuhuza umuntu muri iri somo. I'll give a variety of example sentences. Nkaba ndi buze kubagezaho ingero nyinshi cyane mu nteruro. Greeting someone you never met. Usuhuza umuntu mutigeze muhura. Uravuga ngo, "Hi, my name is Steve. It's nice to meet you." Ibyo byose bivuga. Subiramo ngo, "Hi, my name is Steve." Aho hari Steve shyiraho iryawe. Subiramo, "Hi, my name is Steve. It's nice to meet you." Bivuze ngo, "Komera, nitwa Stefano. Nishimiye guhura nawe." You can respond to this by saying, wasubiza ibi ngibi uvuga ngo, "It's a pleasure to meet you. I am Jack." Aho hari Jack hakiri izina ryawe. Nanjye nishimiye guhura nawe. Ndi Jacques cyangwa Yakobo. Another common question to ask is, ikindi kibazo gikunze kubazwa ni, what do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? Ukora akazi kahe kagutunze cyangwa mu buzima bwawe ukora iki? Bibutse ko ndi kubigisha Icyongereza cy'umwimerere. Ntabwo wavuga ngo what do you do? Iyo uvuga wihuta ntabwo iyo te yumvikana, usa n'uyimira ukavuga ngo what do you do? What do? Usa n'ukubise ururimi hariya ukarugumishayo ku hejuru. What? Te ntuyivuga ngo irangize. Ugahita uyikupa. What do you do for a living? Ukora akahe kazi? You can respond to this by saying, usubije bino wavuga ngo, I work at a restaurant. I work at a restaurant. Nkora kuri restaurant. I work at a bank. Nkora muri banki. I work in a software company. Nkora mu kigo gikora software. I'm a dentist. Ndi umuganga w'amenyo. Usually you will not need to ask for a name. Ahanini ntabwo uzakenera kubaza izina cyangwa se ntabwo bizaba ngombwa ko wabaza izina. It is implied that each person should say their name. Bihita byikoraho buri muntu aba akwiye kuvuga izina rye cyangwa amazina yabo. But in case they don't, you can ask. Ariko igihe batabikoze ushobora kubabaza ngo, what is your name? Witwa nde? Twibuke ko mu mvugo isanzwe urabihuza ukafatanya ngo, what's your name? Nabyo nibyo. Many times I don't hear the name. Inshuro nyinshi ntumvise izina. If you would like for them to repeat their name, you can say. Niba bifuza ko basubira mu mazina yabo ushobora kuvuga ngo, what was that again? Harya ngo ni irihe? Ndagisubiramo icyo kibazo. Mbibutse ko ubwo mvuze ngo what was, ndahinnye bitewe n'uko iyo what na was biregeranye. Ntabwo mvuze ngo what was. Mvuga ngo what was that again? What was that again? Tana urabihuza. Harya ngo ni irihe? Ushobora no gusubirishamo, excuse me? Ngwiki? Excuse me? Cyangwa pardon me? Pardon me? Dukomeze tugiye kureba, ushobora no gusuhuza umuntu ngo wenda tuvuge umuntu uzi, greeting someone you know. Gusuhuza umuntu muziranye. greeting someone you know. Ni ugusuhuza uwo muziranye. Uramuhamagara mu izina ugahita umubaza ngo urugero, hey John, how have you been? Noneho reka ndetse n'ugenda buhoro. Hey John, how have you been? Bivuze ngo yewe John, cyangwa John, amakuru yawe y'iminsi, amakuru y'iminsi myinshi. Hey John, how have you been? Bikunze guhuzwa ngo how have you been? How have you been? How have you been? How have you been? Bisubiyemo kenshi kugira ngo uzabyumve neza. How have you been? Your heart beats it. Undi, hi Bob, how are you? Komera Bob, makuru. Cyangwa umeze ute? Hi Nancy, what have you been up to? Noneho bivuze nihuta reka ngende guki. Hi Nancy, what have you been up to? Baza gukomera Nancy, umaze iminsi uhugiye mu duki. What have you been up to? Bakunze kubihina bavuga, what have you been up to? Andy, it's been a long time. How are you, man? Andy, hashize igihe kirekire. Amakuru yawe nshuti. If you meet someone unexpectedly, you can say, uramutse uhuye n'umuntu utabyiteguye, ushobora kuvuga ngo urugero, hey Jack, it's good to see you. What are you doing here? Yewe Jack, ni byiza kukubona. Urimo gukora iki hano? Ndabisubiramo. Hey Jack, it's good to see you. What are you doing here? Or cyangwa, what a surprise! I haven't seen you in a long time. What have you been? Ndabisubiramo. What a surprise! Ni wangu mega gutungurwa. I haven't seen you in a long time. N'igihe kirekire ntakubona. How have you been? Amakuru y'iminsi. If you see the person at a restaurant, you can say, uramutse uhuye n'umuntu ukamubona kuri restaurant wavuga ngo, do you come to this restaurant often? Do you come to this restaurant often? Ukunze kuza kuri no restaurant? Or at the movie theater, cyangwa kuri aho berekana filime. What movie did you come to see? What movie did you come to see? Iyihe filime waje kureba? Appropriate responses. Ibisubizo ukwiye gutanga. Nibuke ko hari umuntu ugeze gusubiza akavuga izina rye, nawe tumusubiza uwo muntu wavuze ngo hi Steve, hi my name is Steve. Nawe tumusubiza ngo hi Steve, my name is Mike. It's nice to meet you as well. Hi Steve. Ubwo niba ngiye nakubwiye ngiye nitwa John, ndivuga ngo hi, my name is John. Uwo nawe tuzamubwira ngo hi John, my name is itukira ryawe. Weza ngo hi Steve, my name is Mike. Aho hari Mike akiri ryawe. It is nice to meet you as well. Nanjye biranshimishije guhura nawe. Ijambo as well ni kimwe na to bivuga ngo nanjye. Bivuga gusubiramo. Avuga igifaransa ni aussi. Now, it is nice to meet you. I heard a lot about you from John. Nakumvanye John avuga byinshi kuri wowe. I heard a lot. Numvanye byinshi John. Namwumvanye byinshi John kuri wowe. I heard a lot about you from John. I heard bivuze ngo narumvise. A lot bivuga byinshi about you kuri wowe. From John, bitumanye John. John namwumvanye byinshi kuri wowe. He had a lot of good things to say. Yari afite byinshi byiza byo kuvuga. He had a lot of good things to say. Wow! How long has it been? It seems like more than a year. Oh! Hashize igihe kingana gutera? bisa nkaho umwaka urenga. I'm doing pretty well. How about you? Ndaho meze neza cyane. Wowe se? A typical response to this type of greeting is simple. Igisubizo cyahoranije kuri iyi ndamukanyo y'ubu bwoko ni iki cyoroshye. Not too bad. Ntabwo bibabaje ari bibi cyane. Not too bad. If asked what you have been up to, you can respond with. Uramutse ubajijwe ibyo umaze iminsi ugiyemo, ushobora gusubiza ukoresheje say more. Ni bya bindi bidahinduka. Or the same as usual. Umuntu akubaje ngo what have you been up to lately? Hari nabongeraho n'amazina. What have you been up to, John? What have you been up to, so and so? What have you been up to? Ubaze umaze iminsi ugiye mu biki? Uhita usubiza ngo say more. Bimwe bidahinduka cyangwa the same as usual. Here are some other example responses. Tugiye kureba izindi ngero watanga ubusubizo. I'm pretty busy at work these days, but otherwise everything is great. Ndagenda buhoro n'ubusobanuro kimwe kimwe. I'm pretty busy. Ndahuze cyane. At work these days. But otherwise, ariko bitari ibyo, everything is great. Ikigo kimeze neza cyane. Noneho umva ukuntu babivuga bihuta. I'm pretty busy at work these days, but otherwise everything is great. I'm doing very well. Ndaho meze neza cyane. I'm doing very well. I finally have some free time. I just finished taking a big examination and I'm so relieved that I'm done with it. Birangiye mpugutse mbonye umwanya. Nibwo nkiva mu kizamini gikomeye. Nkaba numva nduhutse kuko nkirangiza. Restaurant responses. Turebe ibisubizo watanga kuri restaurant. I've been here a couple of times, but I don't come on a regular basis. I've been here a couple of times, bivuze ngo hano njya maze inshuro nkeya, but I don't come on a regular basis. Ariko sinkunze kuza buri gihe. I come pretty often. This is my favorite restaurant. Maza kenshi cyane. Iyi ni restaurant nkunda cyane. I can't believe we haven't seen each other before. I come here at least twice a week. Sinabyemera ko mbere tutari twarabonanye. Nza hano byibura kabiri mu cyumweru. Movie response. Igisubizo cyo kuri filime. I came here to see Matrix Revolution. How about you? I came here to see Matrix Revolution. How about you? I came here to see Matrix Revolution. How about you? Naje hano kureba Matrix Revolution. Impinduramatwara y'i Matrix. Wowe se? Nshuti bakunzi mwakurikiranye iri somo turigejeje ku musozo. Abadukurikiranye ariko bwa mbere kuri uyu muyoboro wacu, twagira ngo tubibutse gukanda hariya mwabonye hatukura hitwa ngo subscribe, maze ubutaha amasomo ajya bageraho biboroheye, kandi ukore no kunzogera kugira ngo utazajya ubura kuyabona akimara kujya kuri uyu muyoboro. Yowe bagezagaho hano kuri Liberty Speaking TV, nitwa Uwingabiye Jean de Dieu mu Rwanda. That was your English teacher Jean de Dieu Uwingabiye. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. This is the end. Ta-ta for now.